Hey guys, welcome to Chemistry Lover, and now time for the solution of today's challenge question. And till now, many of you actually predicted the correct answer. So let me show you the names and tell you the names. So if I go into my Creator Studio, so these are the comments I can see. So option 2 was actually the correct answer, and this is the question from Baldwin's rule. And I can see many of you actually predicted option 2. For example, Amar Sain, he predicted option 2. Farida Hassan, she also predicted option 2. Option B means option 2. Habib also. Then Benazir, she also predicted option 2. Tuhina also predicted option 2. Also predicted option 2. Then B Anant option 2. Also Ashirvad Das also predicted option 2. Then Abdul Hasnat predicted option 2. Shubhajit Chakraborty predicted option 2, and Shubhankar she actually he predicted the answer first. So he was the first who commented and option 2. So many of you predicted correct answer, but whoever want the solution for them, let me solve it. Okay, so let me go into the question again. So you can see this is the thing, this is the question. Okay, so I'll solve it. So our question was we have to transform this to this, and we were given with either. So in the question it was given either you can use acid, you can use base, or you can use acid or base both, or whether it is done in heating condition. Now how the reaction will proceed under basic condition. So who predicted option option 1 or option 3, that is either base or acid or base both. So they are wrong, because in basic condition the reaction should go like this. So this O minus will attack over here, because in presence of sodium hydroxide this OH will form O minus. Now when this O minus attack on this group, on this position, so this is kind of 1,4 attack, it will go here, and so on paper it looks fine that easily it will do this cyclization like this way. On paper it looks perfectly fine, there is no problem on that. And then by taking up proton it will give you something like this. So this is our product. So on paper it looks perfectly fine, but actually this doesn't occur. Why? Because if you count, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So this is actually 5 endo. So this bond is breaking inside, so this is endo. 5 endo trig, and this 5 endo trig by the Baldwin's rule, it is unfavorable. Okay, it is unfavorable, so it will not occur. I cannot say it will not occur, but its probability of occurring of it is very less. So by virtue of Baldwin's rule, this will not occur. Now what we are left out with? So we are left out with acidic condition. Now in acidic condition the reaction mechanism is bit tricky, and that's why I will write down the mechanism. So what happens in acidic condition? Many of you may know that, but let me explain it. So in acidic medium what happens is, so this is your H. Now in acidic medium like dilute HCl, what will happen? So protonation will occur at this center, right? So at first protonation will occur at this center, OH2 plus, right, like this. And you have this OH here. I have to open up the structure of this phenyl. Okay, so this is the opened structure of phenyl. Now this phenyl can participate to some kind of stabilization in this positive center. So that will give you some intermediate like this. Okay, so this kind of intermediate you will get. Okay, this kind of intermediate you will get by the participation of this phenyl ring. Okay, now you can see this position becomes what? This position becomes now electrophilic, right? But in different direction. In the ground state it was electrophilic in this direction, but after this protonation it becomes electrophilic in different direction, that is this direction. And now if it attacks over here, this bond will open, this will go here. So now you can see what will happen. So here is the thing, and you will get this. Okay, so here you have this OH, this. Okay, now this is, if you count this again, 1 2 3 4 5, so this is 5, but now this time this is 5 exo because the bond breaking is outside the ring, right? So this is 5 exo trig, 5 exo trig, and by Baldwin's rule this 5 exo trig is favorable, so it is a favorable reaction. And finally, taking up a proton from here, this is basically equilibrium reaction. So taking up a proton will give you this species. So this is our product, right? So you can see only in acidic condition the reaction can go, in basic condition it cannot go because of Baldwin's rule, right? And only heat will not affect the reaction. So that's all for this. I hope that you enjoyed and it will help you. If you want more this kind of challenge, you can subscribe this channel because I upload regular videos on challenge question. So that's all. Thank you for watching.